Hello everybody and welcome to the CC Assembly for year 1 and 2. And we know what the Grange CC way is. We want to have everybody to have a really great caring attitude and to be trying their best and learning, especially from their mistakes. It's okay to make a mistake. You just learn from it. You go for improvement and progress to get better the next time. Use your education, everything you learn to help you to make good choices, and you never give up. That's a CC learner. And we have our Grange CC way, which is confidence and consideration. And that's our philosophy for life. And stars of the week this week, we've got lots of them. Let's see who bounces in. We've got Dennis bouncing in. Well done. Gabriella, Dylan, Millie, Maisa, Rawan, Doris, Izan, Paula, Adam H, and Wadia, and Saria, and Mate, and Clayton, and Yusufe, and Darsh, and Kirutika, and Caden, and Ruviana, all bouncing in. We're proud of all of you. And here's a Grange House of Water with lots of points, 3,224. Look, there's Zosha, Mudasir, Daisy, Devinza, Mate, Nicole, Alessia, Omar, and flying in is Taranshi with 51, Mikaya with 59, Maisa with 65, and Dennis with 83. But the swivel this week goes to Saraji with 149. Amazing. Grange House of Fire, 3,222 points. Tasnim, Riley, Riyad, Bahar, Bathanan, Davi, Sean, Abigail L, Idris, Isaac, Sienna, Abigail N, and flying in is Saria with 44, Ruhama with 66, Darius with 76, Adam H with 82, Wadia with 95, but the swivel goes to Enea with 106. Well done. Grange House of Air, 3,214 points. Look at all these people. Shakir, Ketarani, Adam S, Arvi, Elijah, Sarah A, Jaina, Mesk, Rawan, Houston, Suban, Yasin, Ayman, Ruviana, and flying in is Kirat with 58, Ubaid with 63, Paula with 72, Millie with 77, and the swivel goes to Dylan with 82. Brilliant work. Grange House of Earth, 3,207 points. Tasnim, Satyan, Sama, Julia, Anj, Gloria, Nisa, Kirutika, Caden, Clayton, and flying in is Emma, Lean, Gabriella, and the swivel goes to Izan with 147. Amazing work. So the whole Grange community got 13,380 points, which is brilliant, amazing work. So who were my classy classes? Well, Rumi class, an amazing 560 points. Malala class, 687 points. Really proud of you. But the swivel this week, look at you, John Lennon class, 689 points. Proud of you. Look how close it was, Malala and John Lennon. So somebody got 2 points over there. That just gave John Lennon class the classy class for this week. So keep going, everybody, because in autumn we got 120,000 points. We set ourselves a half-term target of 50,000 points. These are huge numbers. And so far, we have 17,697 points. We are going to smash it. We're going to easily make it. And remember, in autumn, as a reward for Classy Class and for all the CC points, we had Freddie visit us. We had the reindeers visit us. And I said this half-term, for the Classy Class of the whole half-term, I'm going to get some beautiful jungle pot plants to help you to grow in your classroom, because apparently some scientists have said that with a pot plant in your classroom, you can even do better. And it's just fun having an amazing plant to watch and to see get better. So be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Remember, kindness is strength. And remember, parents, you can give points as well. So make great decisions. Use your character strength of judgment this week. I'm very proud of you. Key Stage 1 at Grange Primary.